Whoa, nothing. What your ugly ass doing?
30 hertz straight up.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to freaking start. It's been so long since I did these freaking videos. I miss y'all guys so much. You guys, like where have y'all been, bestie? Because I miss y'all. But what it do, Bandrunnerz squad? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda, and I'm back with another freaking video. As you tell by the title, you guys, I am doing some of your old-time favorite videos. I'll be trolling on the Monkey app, you guys. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification on so you'll be notified every time I post a freaking video. Okay, your girl is back in this thing, back in the game. I'm back doing this thing. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know, anyways, cut it out. Your girl is back with my teeth in my mouth. Oh, they still fit. I'm back like I never left. But we ain't gonna do too much talking, you guys. We already know what we here for. We finna go in here and troll on Monkey app. Let's see if some people are still on here for the app, you know. When I left, I think a part of them left, you know. Oops. But let's hop into the freaking video, you guys. Like, baby. Ooh, baby. What you doing? Excuse you? Hey, what's up? What you doing? Ooh.
So I'm just cool and playing the game.
You got a girlfriend?
Nah, I don't.
Ooh. What's your number?
Shit.
Huh? Damn. What you doing? Don't you say, hey, what your little broke ass doing? Why you in the dark?
Who broke?
You. What you doing in the dark?
Man, trying to get him to go to sleep.
Oh, go to sleep, baby. Rock my baby in the treetop.
Where are you from?
You like that? You like that, didn't you?
Yeah, where you from?
Oh, I ain't got time to talk. TJ, what you doing? What's your broke ass doing?
Broke is crazy.
That's what I'm saying. You crazy broke. That shit crazy.
P5 means I'm broke.
Do what?
I got P5. That means I'm broke.
Okay, iPhone 13. That is mean you broke.
That's not no iPhone. Flip phone having ass. I'm on your big 2D looking ass. Look at you, girl. You thought you ate, girl.
Whatever, girl. What y'all little broke ass doing? Damn. Bag up. What you trying to do? You lagging. Need to fix your shitter net. You got shitter net. Now these glasses touching my lashes. J1, what your broke ass got going, bro?
Who broke?
You! What you doing?
I never broke. Fuck is you mean?
Fuck I said, you broke today?
Bitch, I never broke. Fuck is you mean?
Whatever, fuck what I said.
Yeah, you said I never broke. You fuck is you mean?
You good? You sound a little sluggish.
Who's sluggish?
You sound a little sluggish. You good?
You sound like a sluggish.
No, you don't sound like you always upstairs. My bad. You alright?
Yeah, you still what I'm doing.
Oh, okay. Well, fire up then. What your little broke ass doing? I know you. Just a little badass boy from TikTok. Yeah, your little badass. I know you from TikTok.
I don't know you.
Yeah, I know your little badass from TikTok.
What's my TikTok name?
You be on there doing them little dances.
What's my TikTok name?
Yeah, I know you.
I am broke though. Like, you trying to give me some money on Cash App?
What's your Cash App?
What you said?
What's your Cash App?
How you gonna Cash App me?
What you mean?
What's that?
It's a phone.
Wait, flip. Look.
What's wrong? What?
You can't have Cash App on there.
Yes, I can. How you gonna tell me what I can download? I got as many apps as you got.
That's a flip phone.
Baby, that don't mean nothing.
Go to Cash App and show me.
I ain't gotta show you to prove nothing to you. You trying to get my Cash App and all that. No, you might be.
No, I'm saying like.
No, you a hacker. You a scammer.
No, don't go in the app. Just.
Nah, you a scammer. You a scammer. You trying to get my Cash App and stuff. I know what you're trying to do.
No, I'm trying to. I don't want to see your Cash App.
I don't trust. I don't trust the process. Who? You sound like an elephant blowing bubbles out your ass. Ain't nobody sleeping that hard. No way. You need to go see somebody.
Well, they would be it, but it.
Oh, I know y'all.
You know us.
Hell yeah, y'all be on TikTok doing them little dances.
For real?
Hell yeah, y'all be doing that.
Huh?
Yeah, I know you.
We know you from.
You famous?
I know you from TikTok.
You don't famous.
You famous?
No, y'all famous.
No, we not famous.
Yeah, you be on there doing them little dances.
Nah.
Wrong guy?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Huh?
I know you from TikTok. Take TikTok.
Uh-uh.
I know you from TikTok.
You don't like monkey to it? Why not?
What your broke ass doing on here acting like you Joker?
Oh, did you just call me broke?
All in one sentence.
Did you just call me broke?
Yeah, I see what your broke ass doing on here.
Why? First of all, why do you have them fake ass teeth in your mouth?
Why do you have this lipstick on?
You got those fake ass teeth.
Why
in your
you got
mouth.
this
What's going
lipstick
on?
Baby? Halloween
You don't
is
like
over.
my lipstick? Is there a problem?
Yeah, it's a problem with it.
lipstick
It is
better than
it's a big problem with it. Let me take a picture of this and put it on my Instagram.
Take a picture right now.
Yeah, I'm taking a picture of this shit and I'm gonna put it on my Instagram.
Let me go ahead and pose.
Yeah, you need to pose.
Tell me when you're done.
Bigger.
You want it bigger?
Bigger smile. Yeah, better. I'm putting this shit.
Take it. Tell me when you're done.
I already took it. I'm putting this on my Instagram.
On your Instagram.
Hell yeah, I am.
Okay. So do you know what kick.com is?
Kick.
Kick. Yeah, like kick. Like I'm gonna kick you in the face.
Like kick you in your ass. Yeah. What about? No, I don't.
You know what kick is?
No, tell me.
It's a live streaming platform. You've never heard of it?
No, I haven't. Ooh, Mr.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing, Splacker Belly? Oh. Well, that ended fast. Ooh. What your ugly ass doing? Huh? You got a problem? Whoa, nothing. What your ugly ass doing?
Girl, what you doing, son?
No, I said what your broke ass doing. Huh? What your broke ass doing on her?
Why your teeth so motherfucking big, bro?
Who? Why your hair flying? What? Why your hair look like asparagus? Shit, flying everywhere.
Damn, shorty, your teeth big as hell.
It don't matter though. It don't matter though. I can pull you, but I don't want you though. I don't want you. Hell yeah, I don't. Hell yeah, I don't want you. We kind of looking alike.
We don't look alike.
Hell yeah, we got that twin thing going on.
Shorty, smile. God damn. Them bitches pop out your mouth with your mouth closed. Come on.
I'm good though.
Yo, how old is you?
Ooh, LeBron, how old are you?
Shit. How old?
Huh?
Whatever your age is.
What you just got done washing your hair or something?
No, what the fuck?
You good?
No.
Huh?
Hmm?
Oh.
How old is you?
I don't know. You good? You act like you don't know. What's wrong with you?
Nick,
You glitching on me, man.
what are you talking about?
It's like your whole attitude changed. Like you got something against me or something.
I don't.
You better not. Don't be getting no attitude. Don't be getting no attitude with me.
I'm not.
Oh. I tried to start a fight, but he was so serious, y'all.
Ew.
Ooh, woo! What y'all got going on?
You sexy as hell.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, how old you is?
Boy, quit winking at me.
You winking at her, bro?
Yeah. He back there quit winking at me.
He winking?
Hell yeah, he is.
Yo,
Yo, RJ.
I'm gonna put him in something.
What you winking at me for?
Damn, bro. I'm trying to get you an age.
What's his number? Give me your number then. I'm gonna hit you. Oh, you just blew your breath. You just blew your breath. Oh my gosh, your breath. You done blew your breath over my whole screen.
Please tell me that shit in your mouth is fake.
Hell no, you need to tell me that you need to put some Listerine in your mouth.
Please tell me that shit is
Oh,
fake.
your breath stinks so bad.
Bro, that's really his teeth?
Ain't no problem with that. You didn't worry about getting that Listerine.
Oh my god.
Oh
How
my
your teeth
Oh
how your
my.
teeth smell like that?
Why your breath smell like that?
No, stop covering your mouth.
Oh my god.
Big ass teeth.
Oh, fucking ass
my.
breath. Oh my
Your
god.
teeth is nasty.
How you gonna melt my lens? Like damn.
Ooh,
Oh.
joke. Your teeth is
Oh
dirt.
damn. Oh like anything, y'all. Who teeth out? Y'all back? Huh? Y'all on her again. If you wanted me, just say that.
Who ain't teeth?
Who? I said if you want you was the main one talking last time. Running your mouth.
Nobody on here?
You was on there. I got your number last time.
Yo, flip phone is crazy.
Hell yeah. Don't be trying to disappear now. Cause your homeboy on her.
You got my number.
I got your number. You hit me up on IG not too long ago. Now you want to act funny in front of your homeboy.
Who you got to?
Why you trying to act like that, fam?
See, look.
Now why you acting like that? You capping, bro, in front of your homeboy. Don't do that, bro.
Pull your teeth out.
I'm saying don't do that in front of him.
Pull your teeth
Don't
out.
do that in front of him, cause you know what we discussed.
What we discussed?
You already know.
If you know, then I know.
You already know.
Okay, then.
Ooh. Don't be looking. You just here trying to get the teeth. Don't worry about it. He'll tell you. He'll put you up on game later. He gonna tell you everything. Check his DMs. Okay. Check his DMs. Oh, baby, where you come from? Oh.
You are too sweet and kind.
They say you ask and you shall receive. And you, baby, you was here for me. Oh, shit now. God.
What do you do?
Oh, you making me shake. Ooh. He probably whacking and squawking. Let me get room.
I did it.
Who? Bit what?
What the hell was you talking about?
What the hell you talking about? You was talking
Your
about.
fucked up ass teeth.
Why, boo? Whoa. What your little broke ass doing on her?
Not you talking right now.
Like I said, what your little broke ass doing on her?
Not you talking right now, bro.
What you doing on her? You don't even need to be on her. Little small pockets.
Cut it out.
Small pockets, what you doing on her?
Small pockets sound cute.
That's you.
I know that sound cute.
But I'm saying what your broke ass doing on here. You don't need to be on here. What are you doing on here?
like I said.
Let me take a picture of you. I'm gonna put your ass on my Instagram.
Yeah, go
Look,
right
this
ahead.
him, y'all. He broke and he on here. He don't need to be on here. Broke, lame, broke.
If you see my Instagram, you'll be like, oh shit.
That's him, y'all. That's him, y'all. Broke, lame. That's him. That's him, y'all. Him.
Yeah.
Whatever. What your little broke ass doing on here?
My little broke ass. What's up with your fucking teeth, you little stupid?
Whatever. It don't matter to me. What your little broke ass doing with that prop money? I don't care. You can get that off Amazon any day now. Whatever. I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you.
Prop money.
Prop money. You know what I'm saying? Monopoly.
I'm fix your teeth before you start talking like that.
Fix who teeth? My teeth look better than yours. Oh.
Smile for me.
No, you don't need to smile no more. You don't need to smile no more.
Smile.
You don't need to smile no more. You don't need to smile no more, sweetie. You don't need to smile no more.
Smile.
You don't need to smile no more, honey.
Smile.
You don't need to smile no more, sweetie.
You're mad.
No, you're mad. What I'm mad about? I'm gorgeous, honey. I'm gorgeous.
You see no cracks on my teeth.
I'm gorgeous, honey.
Dancing.
You need braces, sweetie.
Your mouth is dancing. You need more than braces.
You need braces. You need braces, sweetie.
How are you talking shit with a fucked up mouth?
You need braces, sweetie.
How my mouth?
You're mad, honey.
How my mother mouth look better than yours?
No, whatever. My dog's mouth look better than yours. My dog's mouth.
Look better than yours.
My dog's mouth look better than yours.
You about to skip me too. Your breath
No,
stinking.
my dog's.
Yo, your gums are like over here.
My dog's mouth looks better than yours.
I see your gums coming out of your mouth.
Rocky mouth looks better than yours.
Why is your gums coming out of your mouth?
Rocky mouth looks... Yeah. I didn't got a dog. Okay, you guys, we're gonna put an end to my freaking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you stick around for the next one. And it's Bandrunnerz Squad all day, every day. Now in and now out. Peace out, squad.